Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Roman numerals to your numbers in Excel. This is a useful trick if you want to present your data in a unique way or if you need to use Roman numerals for a specific project. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Excel open on your PC or laptop. Once you have Excel open, you should see a spreadsheet where you can input your data. Here, you can see I've already entered some numbers. What I want to do is add the corresponding Roman numerals for these numbers. To start, you'll need to select the cell next to the first number where you want the Roman numeral to appear. In my case, I'll click on the cell right next to the first number. Next, you need to type the equal sign equal symbol to begin entering a formula. After typing the equal sign, type the word Roman. As you type, you'll notice a suggestion pop up that says Roman. Double-click on this suggestion to insert the function into the cell. Now that you have the Roman function in the cell, you need to tell Excel which number to convert. Click on the cell containing the number you want to convert to a Roman numeral. Once you've selected the number, press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see that the first number has now been converted to a Roman numeral. But what if you want to add Roman numerals for all the numbers in your list at once? It's simple. Click on the cell with the Roman numeral you just created. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. When you place your mouse cursor over this square, it will turn into a small black plus icon. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the fill handle downwards to cover all the cells next to your numbers. Release the mouse button, and Excel will automatically apply the Roman function to each number in your list. And that's it. You've successfully added Roman numerals to all your numbers in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more useful Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.